Stock muffler. 2020 R3. Going on M4 Street Slayer. The mid pipe. About 15-20 minutes. Bearings off. Gonna start pulling the O2 sensor off. Get the headers off eventually. Let's see how we're gonna work around. Should be, yeah, we won't even have to remove the radiator. Now I'm gonna cut an inch from the O2 sensor and attach what we need to attach. Bolt it back up and we're done. Quick and easy. Got a little bit of weight to him, man. Or being two little pipes. And then like a little bowl on there. I bet you she real loud right now. Yeah, no, we did that with Josh's. Nope, never again. Alright. Off to the plasma cutter. Go for it. Barely keeping this on. Let's get it.
This is with the DBN.
Oh yeah, we'll try with that. Do a little lap around the block real quick.
It just hit you?
What, the truck door? Well, I wish the Jiggy was this easy to back out.
Man. Touch on both feet, no problem.
And not worry about sliding out with the rear
no
brake.
Problem.
That damn thing, you're like,
Ooh, 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 ooh.
feel like you're gonna fucking scratch.
Let me make sure I got these front pieces locked in.
Oh, good.
Let me see the other light up.
That 2020.
Yep.
Ah, damn, y'all got nothing but new bikes over at this fucking house, man. Where's the clutch grab? Is it pretty far out?
I haven't adjusted them like ever.
Well, the reason why I asked because the little lock was all the way out.
All the way out, I know.
No, like it wasn't. It was over here, so this thing was able to move.
Oh.
Safety thing, man.
may ride in fucking shorts and a tank top, but I won't ride without a goddamn helmet.
I had to do that shit one time. I had to do it one time and